Well, a surprise for me, should I say. I ordered tail lights. Don't mind me for my messed up ankle. I sprained my ankle.
They can't even see it, so you good.
Sprained my ankle, dropping people off in 2K, bro. But show them these new lights. They so big, bro.
Nah, these ones bigger than what they look like. Golly.
But yeah, these the lights, man. I don't know. This just kind of look big, bro. But these the lights, so let me get back to y'all. I guess I have to figure this out. Alright, so we out here. Let's see. I'm gonna rip the plastic off so y'all can see it. But these the tail light ones. So, what y'all think about them? I'm just gonna look sweet though. I ain't gonna lie. Well,
Whoever put this bitch on
me.
before?
I had to tint my light bulb.
Jeez, why did you put that coming right out?
Alright, so we almost halfway got that joint though. He taking the third one out now. So.
John got me breaking a sweat, fool.
But yeah, the other one is right there. So. Alright, so now we trying to wire this thing back up now. Yeah. Hey man, we got this gen in so far. What y'all think?
Hey, that joint look pretty clean to me, bro. Hey.
What part of your favorite mine so far?
Bro, these lights gotta be it, bro.
Not this big?
Them or the wheels between them two. I think I like the wheels more.
Yeah.
Y'all can't tell me these wheels don't look fucking fire, bro, on this jump, bro.
Then I got the, they know we got the side markers. I got the white LED side markers. I got.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's true. That's true. Damn. But we gotta get them jumps on next, bro.
Yeah, probably this weekend we probably gotta go. Probably try to go in the morning.
Okay.
They probably gotta take the bumper out. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so it's coming together. That's the last one, though. The other one already on. The other one already on, though. Somebody had East put the lights on. There y'all go. Oh, yeah. Alright, you can turn it off.